Welcome to the second session of media planning. In this session, we are going to see what are the factors will affect the media planning. In the last session, we have studied the term media planning, what is the meaning and the importance of the media planning is. Let's recall media planning. Media planning includes various decisions which are taken in delivering the promotional message to the prospective customers, and it helps the advertiser to determine the best way to deliver its message to its target audience. The very basic goal of a media plan is to select the suitable media or the right media to find their optimum combination, and thereby enable the advertiser to communicate his message in most effective manner to the largest number of potential customers at lowest possible cost or the most optimum cost. Let's discuss in detail about the different factors which will affect the decision making process of media planning. Under this, the first one is the nature of product. Product to be advertised can be industrial or technical product or consumer product. What is the industrial or technical product? So, the products which are used for the industrial purpose or the technical purpose, and it is used only for the industries or the technical institutes only, and consumer products are used for the end user or to the general public. So, it is a wise decision to advertise the industrial or the technical products in the trade magazines or the trade journals, whereas consumer products can be better advertised through mass media such as television or the newspaper or outdoor advertising or etc. This kind of advertising. And similarly, if it is a products related to the farmers like fertilizer or seeds, that can be advertised through TV or radio or wall painting, etc. These kind of advertisements. And the second factor is nature of customers. Uh, Coming to the factor of nature of the customers, how the customers are and whom we are targeting, who are our targeted consumers, maybe their education level or personality or attitude or their gender or their income level or their age group, etc. will affect the media planning decision making process. Based on different traits of the consumers or the characteristics of the consumers, uh, different groups can be done, such as men, women, children, young, old, or professional, businessmen, high income group or middle income group or low income group or literate or illiterate. Such groups can be done based on different characteristics. See some of the examples such as or common traits such as the age. See, for example, if you are advertising for the kids products, it's better to choose the television as a media for advertising, preferably a cartoon channels. Whereas your target audience is young generation, then it's better to choose television or magazines or internet is a better suitable one. On the other hand, for the old age persons, it's better to choose television and newspapers is it's offering a better results. If you are considering based on their education levels, then for highly educated persons, it's better to choose the magazines or the national newspapers or internet or television, etc. So, in case of mid-level educated persons, it is better to advertise on the television or local newspapers or regional newspapers, etc. And whereas if the audience or the target audience is illiterate, then the print media will doesn't work because they cannot read the printed version. So it's better to telecast on the television or visual media. If your media planning decision is based on the volume of the customers or the audience volume. In case if the audience level is very high, or you are targeting a large number of customers, then it's a wise decision to choose the mass media such as television or the newspapers, etc. And whereas if your target audience is very less, in few numbers, then it's a wise decision and you can save much more if you are choosing the telephone calling or telecalling or email or direct messaging, etc. Third important factor which affect to the media planning is the distribution of the product. In sense, where you are distributing your products, whether it is for the local or for the national level or international level. So if you are targeting for the local level, then you can choose the medias like a newspaper or the cable network. So whereas if you are targeting for the national level, then it is better to choose the national level papers or the mass medias like television or the internet, etc. And whereas in case if you are targeting for the international level, then it is better to choose the international level televisions such as BBC or CNN, such televisions, or internet or international level papers. Fourth important factor which affect for the media planning is advertising objectives. So while advertising, you having certain objectives. Some advertisements will expect immediate response, whereas some other advertisements will be expecting a long term response, or the response in the near future. So if you are opting for the immediate response, it is better to advertise on the newspapers or pamphlets or the banners, etc. And whereas if you are looking for the long term response, then, or if you are looking for the brand identity, so brand recognition, then it is better to choose the advertisement medias such as magazines or television or neon signboards, etc. may help to build the corporate goodwill. The next important factor which affect for the media planning decision is nature of a message. Newspaper will be best suited in case if the advertisement content is informative in nature. See, whereas if it is a demonstrative or if you have to give the emotional touch to your advertisement, then it is better to choose the television. Suppose if you wish to inform your potential customers of sale promotions schemes or discount offers or exchange offers or festival offers, such kind of advertisements, then it is better to choose the posters or banners or the newspaper inserts or newspaper advertisements, etc. And the sixth factor is the size of the ad budget. In case if your budget is very high, then it is better to choose the television or the national level newspapers. Whereas your ad budget is very low, then it is better to choose the low cost medias like posters or banners or cable network or local newspapers or pamphlets, etc. Another important factor which affect media planning is media used by the competitors. While planning for the media, it's better to research on the competitors move or the industry leaders move, in which media they are using for advertisement of their products, whether it's a television or newspapers or handouts or pamphlets or banners or posters, what kind of media they are using. Based on that, you can also take a right decision. Sometimes it is also dangerous in case if you follow your competitors or industry leaders blindly on their steps. And the next or the important factor which affect media planning is media availability. Sometimes it is possible the desired space of the advertisement may be booked by the some other person or some other company. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಗಝಿನ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ನ ಹೋರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬಯಸಿದಾಗ ಆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವೈಲೇಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ಗೆ ಕಾಯಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನಿಂಗನ್ನು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುದಂದರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ರೀಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕವರೇಜ್. ಈಗ ಕೆಲವು ಮೀಡಿಯಾಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀಚಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅದರ ಕವರೇಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಓದುವವರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಥವಾ ನೋಡುವವರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ರೀಚ್ ವೈಡಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಲವು ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಓದುಗರು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಲ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ರೀಚ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕವರೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಹ ಮೀಡಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು. 10ನೇ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಯಾವ ಮೀಡಿಯಾವನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸನ್ನು ತಲುಪಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಹಲವು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆಗ ಅದು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ರಿಪೀಟಾಗಿ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸನ್ನು ತಲುಪ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಜನರನ್ನು ತಲುಪ್ತದೆ. ವ್ಯಾರಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಓದಿದ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ನಾಳೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡುವಂಥ ಕ್ರಮ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದರ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ಝಿನಿಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ಝಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದರ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ನೈಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ. So the frequency of the media is important factor while choosing the media planning. And another one is the media image. ಆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಚಾನಲ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಆ ಚಾನಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಆ ಚಾನಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಇಮೇಜ್, ಅದರ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಆ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಸಚ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ huge waste in future. And the another factor is media discount. You need to go with the discounts availability on advertisements. Sometimes some medias will be offering some discounts for the advertisements. You have to grab that opportunity and advertise. The last factor which affect to the media planning decision is the choice of the language. So where you are publishing your advertisement or which media you are publishing, whether it is in English or whether it is in Kannada or whether it is in Hindi or in any other languages. So the language is an important part. See, if you are targeting for the educated level of customers, then English should be fine. So in case of the audience is uneducated or less educated, then you have to choose their familiar language which they are more familiar. Thank you very much. If you have any questions or doubts, please inbox in the comment section of the classroom. Thank you.